how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the new project option and select your first video. And now here with that, simply tap on add to import it into the timeline. And once you have added the first video, simply scroll the bottom menu and there you simply have to tap on overlay. And there just tap on add overlay and after that simply select the second video that you want to combine and the overlay will appear on the top of the first video. Now there you can just tap on the second video overlay and use resize and drag handles to position it, and you can do side by side, top and bottom, customer corner layout, but make sure that both videos fit in your desired frame. And here, once you're done with everything, you can simply tap on export and choose your resolution and frame rate and save it to your gallery. And that's it. That's how you can put two videos in one screen on CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.